Welcome to Family RC. If you RC, then you're family. So we got some cheap 1/8 scale buggy tires off of Amazon. And yeah, we're gonna put them on the Typhon 6S and try to break them. Let's check them out. Now taking a closer look at them, they do look nice. They are a bit on the light side, which we'll weigh in just a moment. But as you inspect it, you'll notice that they have the vent holes on the inside. Now if these survive, I might just cover those up and drill the vent holes on the outside. These have 17 millimeter hexes. The grip is really good. The rubber compound feels, I would say, medium. It's not super stiff, not super soft. Yeah, I'm excited to give these a shot. Now let's see how much they weigh. Now, I'm not sure how much the stock ones cost because we got our Typhon 6S on OfferUp and it came with these hoons. Now these hoons weigh 5.5 ounces. These, on the other hand, weigh 4.7 ounces. So they're a little bit lighter, but they do look, as you'll see, a little bit bigger. So, but not as wide. They obviously have a thicker compound rubber on here. This has a good little bite to it though. Now, let's take a look at the tool that came with it. Now this is the tool I had before. 17 millimeter works good on both Arma and Traxxas tires, or wheel hexes. And then here's the one that came with it. This one cost me about $8. And this one kind of just dwarfs it. I mean, it doesn't even, it's like a big brother. It's kind of wild, to be honest. But yeah, so it feels good. I actually put it on the XMAX tire and I was able to take off the spline ones as well. So yeah, I mean, it's probably goes without saying, but yeah, it looks good, feels good. It uses 4 screws to hold it on. This one only uses 2. Again, this one's never let me down, but I definitely like having another one. And if nothing else, if the tires don't last, at least I get a good tool out of it. Yeah, so I got the Typhon 6S on OfferUp, and it came with a whole bunch of stuff. I did a video on the deal I got. I'll put a link to it or something like somewhere around here. And yeah, but it didn't come with a full set of off-road tires, so we bought these. And before we fully test them out, well, I'm not gonna go like Kevin Talbot on them or RC Dude 81 where they send it like 80 feet. I don't have a skate park nearby, and I don't have a whole half-mile run up to a ramp like those guys, but we're gonna put them through quite a bit. But we're gonna take a closer look at them on the car, and then we're gonna take them out back. Right, now let's put these things to the test. I tell you what though, these wheels, if they're no good, they sure do look the part. First time touching the dirt. Ooh, it is on 6S. Ooh. All right, they lock up pretty good. I'm gonna be shooting rocks all over the windows and everything. Ooh. Well, it's all part of the test. All right. A little nervous about you. I haven't used the big ramp in a long time. Look how much dust I'm already kicking up. All right, we'll go up it lightly here. Okay, not bad. Ooh, God. I sure hope I'm getting it all. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Well, let's see.
Oh, we already got the rubber coming out. That's crazy. They look so well glued. You didn't think the rubber would be coming out at all. So we have the rubber coming out over here, which I think they did a good job gluing. I think it's the glue that isn't very good. But I did read about that in the review, so it doesn't really surprise me. So what we'll do is, I mean, that was only a couple jumps in, and I checked them too. That's crazy. We'll glue it though before we continue running it, because we might as well get the most out of it. That will make it, without it being glued, you can get it to pop or rip prematurely, and that's not really putting it to the test. So let me go ahead and get that glued, and then we'll be right back out here.
So what it looks like to me is when they actually glue it at the factory, they're only getting the very outside of the lip, because everywhere on the inside looks untouched. So that's probably going to be the case on all the tires, right? So that's kind of the drawback. All right, we're back at it. Let's see if we can get the other tires to bust. I'd rather get it all done, right? If it's gonna happen. Whew. Let's see. On my Max, I can get a solid drift. Oh, I can get damn. I could hear the rocks hitting the wall. Ah! Oh no. Alright, let's get some air, huh? Whew. Oh, looks like the kids messed with the ramp. Alright. I haven't done full power sends yet, just so I can get, that's a terrible lineup. Alright, let's get it rolling. Get that ball out the way, shall we? Oh, let's send the ball at the ramp. Let's get it. Hey. Oh, gosh. I'm gonna cheat. I got the car right here. Oh, I need to get some. Oh, that's gonna suck. Ah! All right. I need to adjust that ramp. Uh-oh. This feels like it's not back row drive. One of the tires is in... Oh, I lost the drive shaft. Oh. Well, that's no fault of the tire, I would imagine, so I gotta find that. Where did it go? Now we gotta figure out why did it pop out and what's it gonna take to put it back in there. That's crazy. Well, unfortunately, that was kind of short-lived. I wanted to love these tires, and I was willing to live with tire separation. You know, some of them got it, some of them not. Unfortunately, though, I mean, I didn't, as you saw, I didn't get much of a session in, and yeah, I busted my Typhon up. I got the axle to pop out. I realized that the diff housing was cracked. It was probably cracked from before, honestly. But that's not any fault of the tires. However, look at that. It is all, let me see if I can get it in there. It's cracked already. And I didn't really get into it yet. Like, these treads are still perfect. So again, I can live with the separation of the bad gluing, go back and re-glue everything, especially at this price point. But having the rim crack already, that's severely disappointing. So, well, not severely, I guess my expectations were low. Like I said, I was gonna try to break it, but honestly, I wasn't even really into a whole session yet. I was just barely getting started. So for me, that's like, well, darn, you know, it kind of sucks, but what can you do? At least I got to do it, so you didn't have to. I think my kids are playing outside the door. But yeah, so I noticed on just one crack, so I'm still probably gonna run until the wheels fall off after I replace the diff housing. But yeah, so that's what you can kind of expect. I mean, a couple little jumps, nothing crazy, and goes the weasel. They already cracked the rim. That's all right though. The tool it comes with is super good. I don't know what I did with it, but the tool it comes with is super good, and it kind of takes away some of the sting. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below your thoughts. Kind of like you get what you pay for. Until next time, have a great time RCing and be blessed.